In the streets, eMgaqweni.
You know what time it is?
Welcome to another episode of InTheStreet eMgaqweni Sunday Street Market bafethu Lichabe Street enaleli Soweto edition denemi on denemi mfethu khotman lami lisulile isidla la bafethu angithona hamba bathi kamza de
Ngawe bula. Kamza le crate
mfethu kamza de creative bafethu khotman nabele dodo lisizaphu ifolowile team bathi denemi on denemi ushaya denemi on denemi enhla khotman lambeka njengoba uyivibe njani ongitshela
Azakhala bula lami ngizosupporta ama-teacher la ngihamba nemamfu lapha.
Manzi lakho sawubele ekhamereni ya khotman is it like your first time uzile la ku Sunday Street Market la enaleli
No ngizwele before but second time manje ngi-attend.
like uyayibona umehluko or zakhala ne Despero no visa yabona hayi
Support ama-Jews.
Siyabonga khotman abona i-support yakhe ibalulekile yabona abantu abafana nayo la ekhaya sibo vele sibadingayo ukuthi beze baphulaphe i-support njengoba nathi sikhona la sama-hustler yabo sama-podcaster so i-support yenu ibalulekile
Kasi i-hustle iyafuneka
yabo siyaphusha angithi manje bathi umsebenzi awukhona thina sesonzile yabo ziyakhala ne bheka khotman lami cela uthini uthi denemi on denemi Sunday Street Market
Denim on denim street market asikhale uphethe udeni
yazi ngicela futhi uthini ne ngicela uthi in the street eMgaqweni
InTheStreet eMgaqweni
Show phez'kwe show
asikhale show phez'kwe show
mama sungasazi ngicela uthi in the street eMgaqweni
InTheStreet eMgaqweni
Show phez'kwe show
Show
phez'kwe show yabonga support siyabonga khotman support siyabonga khotman
ngiyabona i-street market ngara abantu bafudumele
and nawe mfethu ulandelile itimu bathi denemi on denemi usulile mntakama
wena mntakama
live is forever we never die
take your time
we multiply it's a show phez'kwe show
be careful
pheka man cover the parts mfethu the parts bro
superstar manu wonke umuntu
bro
nayo
ntwana bazi cover the case
umuntu nawo man
akalakatha
long stay
mfethu
long stay
skizi mntakama
come from London
bheka ngicela wenzeni ngicela batshele ithi we in the streets eMgaqweni eMgaqweni bheka nge-English sithi eMgaqweni
we in the street
yeah
you get me we in the streets we in the street market
oh yeah
the people are warm out there
it's a show phez'kwe show
people are warm out there
batshele nkalakatha ngathi abakuzi
by the way my name is Fando you can catch me on Instagram
yeah
Fando
bafethu bheka-ke le ndaba injalo it's a show phez'kwe show kunzima langa onke ngiphethe imama la usemuhle mama
Thank you ngiyabonga futhi
uhlala mama njengokubona lana ku-Sunday Street Market on Sunday abantu basenkonzweni wenu la support yakhe ibalulekile
East Red is very far
hey and uzile weza la support i-Sunday Street Market manje uzwe kanjani ngayo ukuthi vele is happening lana naleli ubone kuphi kahle kahle
a friend of a friend
that's what's up yeah and then weza ibheka wathi uza la on Sunday wathi angini namhlanje enkonzweni
lalela
Yeah.
Kancane.
Kancane, ne?
Kancane ba.
Yeah, man, kuningi.
And then I think mina sengicedile vele ibhayibhile yabona.
Yabo, ngithathe nami namkhedeni.
Mntakwethu.
Ngiyacela.
Come through, come
Bheka.
through. Come through.
Mama,
Come through.
ngiyacela.
Lalela.
Kela lapha ekhamereni mama ubatshele ukuthi experience yakhe injani njengoba sila. Phela namhlanje Sunday ufike nje ubatshela ukuthi yazini, mani ziyawa mani namhlanje. Nhle abantu beze mani phela i1 October and manje inyanga iphelile yabo siholile yabo. Siphethe abheka ngiqumbile ngiphethe. Yabo sojwela imama li. Kodwa ngiphe. Kela nje laba bangekho batshela ukuthi njengoba nje ngekho kanje kwenzakalani ukhulume nje nabo. Njengoba nje bangekho la.
Well, guys, this is a vibe. It's a vibe. Come through, come through, come through. The support is the extra.
Oh yeah,
like
oh yeah.
ikhumunyandi. Yabona noma understand ukuthi inkonzo yona ibalekile, but guys, you need some time to yourself as well.
Yeah.
Munandi.
And then when is it like your first time or is it like your second time? Because of I think this is the third edition if I'm not mistaken. So when is it like your first, second or third time?
This was my first time actually. Yeah. I was actually keen. We were supposed to go somewhere. I was like, no, let's go through here. And it was like, no, we're staying here.
Yeah,
and it was a vibe.
And just enjoy.
It was a vibe. It was great. It was awesome. Trust me.
Yeah.
The vibe is it.
And then apa? Pega ngathi abantu bakhohle ngeke uphakamise babonise something. Hayi man pega. Bathe isedene emontenini. Ngiyabona uzidenini ngiyangithatha. Obhekela bekhamera umshayeli 360 mamas. Hayi. Abafethu nayibonela. Hayi. Awu shathile.
Guys, the Home Affairs are still registered as single.
Yeah.
Kodwa
kusala imama sikho.
Lale likhona without a doubt.
Yeah, without a doubt. Mara mama siyabonga fisa futhi kucabanga usuke itsakano zala ina lady.
Cabanga the Eastern mangifuka la. So you understand. I'm still going to drive to the Eastern.
Yeah.
Yes.
Manu bese. Bheka ngicela ubheke lapha uthi InTheStreet emgaqweni.
InTheStreet eMgaqweni.
Show phez'kwe show.
Okay.
Yabo, fethu uyile Roypondo is the king. Iphethe injanga ngayi obafake nkalakatho batshela ukuthi uba ngathi uthaba kwazi. Tango sanibonani bafethu emgaqweni InTheStreet. Music producer DJ. Silana street market iyabuya kumnandi. It's the third party bafethu like kumnandi man fethu. Ntana yakubona uya. Tjwana. And ebheka ulandela neteam tenemontenimi mngana wami. Awu and bazoyiza camera bazoyiza bazoyiza bheka rate point lana mfethu ngiyabona uzile uzosupporta is the third one bafethu J-Spero no Vis Design bashayile ngithola so experience yakho njani ntwana yami yabona njengoba uyingiyakubona fethu hey mara like mongatshela umuntu ongekho ukuthi kawo mtshele mfana nhleki kunjani boy like kunjani ntwana fede mara first thing ngizoyisho ukuthi la uvisi sistrelami ngiyamthemba uDeco yabona naye usiphethe brand mfana ngithi fresh boy J-Spero manje ngithola naye vele uphethile na fresh but otherwise experience lana I feel good very good bafethu from the first one 2020 2021 so wasinenga 2021 2022 2023 lana so wasinenga bafethu after COVID but this one around ziyawa kumnandi ziyabuya surprise man guys angithi nabo babona wasibonela abafethu bonele mfethu ngale sonto lela aza ngikhalela khona izinja ke lana bafethu aborate nani azibonela kuthiwa isulile isizabheka it's a show phez'kwe show batshele lapho mnganami ithi InTheStreet emgaqweni show phez'kwe show InTheStreet emgaqweni show phez'kwe show bheka asukume ka babone enkalakatha bheka obarawundele babone ayibhala ngathi babone issue what's cover the party cover ngaza cover which one is this one I know this one is just for Mizaga issue the days bro but ngeke ngafaya kuthi top dog la the denim bro the denim hayi bangishili amara banu fresh mnganami ngithola ngikala nje mfethu batshela ukuthi show phez'kwe show InTheStreet emgaqweni guys to follow on the social media.
Batshele follow kuphi batshele.
Greater SA bafethu, social media, Facebook, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and Thread bafethu. Greater SA on YouTube as well. Spotify, that's where you get my music. Asishe bafethu.
Ananizwele producer lami elikhulu ke lela la inaledi. In the streets eMgaqweni. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the page.
I am enjoying. Thank you so much for asking. Why are you enjoying yourself? I am enjoying myself. Thank you so much.
Shop phez'kwe show. Bethu DJ SMG. The first lady. What I know lady. Abeka. Ubatshele sister ngathi abakwazi. DJ bani?
SMG.
My sister Beka usiblessile lana ku Sunday Street Market. Washalinye iseti. Ngabona abantu bashamanye amajive engawazokudala.
Amen. Thank you so much. Mina futhi ke nangumuntu odlalela i-old school house music.
Yeah.
Piano salsaba nganyeza.
Hey Maria Klapa. Hey, okay. Hayi, okhethelwanga.
I know, ngisaselapho vele ku-old school house music. And then, but then, makuya ngesikhathi hayi ngizongena nami kula mathandra lanka uyobona ku piano so yes, but then hayi ngisaselapho for now.
Njani support on Sunday?
Guys, like Street Market right now, it's not full house, but it's nice. The support is proper. Abantu basupportile, siyabonga kakhulu guys. Please, yenzani njalo, come support us.
Yeah, you will into
yes.
And guys, I want to say another thing. Ku-selfies, nama-podcast, nama-bouncer. Yabo, there's a different podcast and a bouncer. Podcast awami, thingenu. Yeah, mana kuphetha ama-bouncer gegini ku-selfies, kuphetha ama-toilet, kuphetha abo-DJ. Hayi la nathi uqinile, ongekho la ulele.
Mamela ngithi ongekho la yazini uluza out ngoba the way kumnandi ngakhona right now. Eziyawa.
Ngicela batshele khona bani ku-line up.
Yey, ngithi ngicela kukhona u-MT.
Ishu.
Ngithi wena kukhona u-SMT. Ngithi wena kukhona u-TJ. Mamela.
Olele usele.
Mamela.
Yeah.
Ngithi we are having fun guys. Mnandi ku Street Market. Come support us even more. There will be more street markets coming up, especially this one. This was the first one, but the turn up, it was great, and especially on a Sunday. I know that is something else because of abantu phela izolo beku, as they say, weekend and food.
Yebo,
isakhubele. You understand? So manje we are having fun and we continue to have fun.
Siswami umuhle, qoke kahle, unuka kamnandi. Bengicela batshele ekhamereni ukuthi mawagcoka intenimi awusele.
Mamela ngithi denim on denim.
Soweto edition.
Yeah, Soweto edition and the street market, guys, big up. We are having fun. And the way we're gonna come with teams, guys. It's not good to date denim anyway, but we're gonna come with a team. Sibon, okay. Oh, there's much shit.
Yeah,
we have those sorts and shades. When I have so let's so accommodate wonke umuntu. Yeah.
Sisomkela phez'kwe batshela ukuthi in the street eMgaqweni.
In the street eMgaqweni.
Show phez'kwe show.
So phez'kwe show.
Manje kuma-socials abantu bangathola kuphi yabo? Kasi nje ukuthi bakulandele nawe bakusupporte njenge-female DJ yalana enaleli eSoweto yabona.
Yeah. Alright, mina on Facebook it's DJ SMG. Okay, I have my personal account as well on Facebook, which is Usmangele Mangosi.
Okay.
You can follow. You can send a friend request. I'll accept you guys. I mean, I need go bed, man. Like, you can accept. And then you can follow me on DJ SMG. That's my page. And then on Instagram, I don't have a page, guys, but it's a personal page of which I post everything that I want. So, logun follow on Instagram. It's ma post. Yes. So you can just follow it. I nami don't follow.
Yeah. Anizwele ke nani ke makhaya kukho konke siyabonga vele for support. It's a show phez'kwe show.
Ayanda baking.
Yeah. Let's
I bake and I can get what I bake. I love
Yeah. Is it your first time Ulana? What Jespero, Sunday Street Market, no Deco?
No ways, bruh. I'm always here. Like, this is one of the most events that I support. That I come with my friends. Like, we go all out, from outfit to booze to whatever. You can name it. Like,
how's the vibe? How's the vibe?
No, it's actually awesome. It's actually amazing. The DJ are on the spot. It's like waiting, they were prepared for us.
Yeah,
I don't wanna lie. They prepared so nice. And I'm so happy.
And you are caught Sunday, and you are in the Holy. And then Holy Land, and in Boni.
No, actually, I'm on leave. Yeah.
You can eat.
Yeah, you like it? I never keep working, guy, but you can. Yeah.
And you're going to move your palm. Shake the system. I pay, I see. What I feel like I'm oh, no, my friend, the Babon, which has it. The Babang Echo. Issue. I am missing out of the Sunday Street Market. I was going down in Gazamia. She saw me and body illusion is into it. Naning as I thought. I arrived some Sabamutu and a support Akiba Legi, Lavantapana now, the Kasiba was uplifting, which not saying something because of even though like it's a Sunday, tomorrow going to a quite to manage with Uzilana, the support, the social.
No, it's nice. I'm happy to be here. Like I said, it's never disappointing. It's always nice to be here. And what about Nalwe? I mean, the house speaks for itself. We're having fun. We eat for God. You're like, tomorrow is Monday. Like, come on.
Yeah, so like in Kelanje, Umshelanje, Amakamaitu, in the streets, eMgaqweni.
In the street, eMgaqweni.
Show phez'kwe show. It is show phez'kwe show.
Show phez'kwe show.
Anjalo ni bafethu. It's a shop, phez'kwe show. Tell us this Spanish Salana, the owner of Wing Food. You know what the owner yani?
Wing Food.
Yeah, pega bafethu Spanish silana ku Sunday Street Market. Umuntu osayisela ukudla bafethu yabo. Phathela ukudla kumnandi kabi kabi. So njengoba usekhaya ukubulela nge7 khalaze nobhontshisa awulele. Sister la uthengisela amawini. Ukole bathe ukuthi imenya kuphethe nani.
Ngiyami ngiphethe ama-fried wings. Ahamba nama-chips nesaladi. Salad yakho ngiyayitshilo whether you want salsa or coleslaw. And then I've got grilled wings, same as
my cheese, salsa or coleslaw. And then I've got half chicken also. And I'm gonna papa, salad.
Yeah.
If you don't want spicy, I'm a cheese.
That's nice. So I'm going to bazili lana basupporta. Is it like your first time?
This is my first time doing this, so yeah.
Yeah. Injani experience because of for you it's different because like you're selling food. So you receive a kanjani like abantu like people supporting and stuff, or is it like business sasesilonyana?
To be quite honest, it's been very welcoming. So on the street, the people have welcomed me with warm hands and bayatenga and ukala kwami namhlanje. So to be honest, I'm happy because by 9 o'clock, I'm doing something.
Hey, it's a tema. Sister ngiyakubona Bheka ulandele netimba sedenim undenim so sedishini nawe sedishaya ngedenim undenim ngicela nje uphakamisisa mbabonise ukuthi bashaya Christ kumele bakubona ngeke sister kumele like kumele bakubona ukuthi hayi yabona sister sister awubheke ishu futhi ayina niyayibonela bafika bona sathathalala.
So I'm originally from Bao.
Wow.
And I stayed in Soweto for like 5 years, working on golf course. And then I moved to Maboneng.
Wow.
I'm currently staying in Maboneng.
So usuke Maboneng wazalana ipati ibone kuphi since like this of the time?
So a friend of mine hooked me up with the lady that is Soweto hosting. Wangihlanganisa naye sakhuluma yabaRight and I mean so welcoming.
Wow, yeah, we love you.
So patient. Don't think so like, yo, I'm super happy. I don't want to like, I'm super happy.
Masabonga sister yabo ukuthi ngibongeke kwemashula endala nami kazi kuthengile ukudla ngizwela thina sister yapheka la yabo la yabo engizoyile and hayi kancane kakhulu yabo so bengicela nje lapha ecamereni ubatshela ukuthi InTheStreet eMgaqweni.
So in the street, I'm Paleza. I own Ringwood.
Yes.
Ngithengisa ukudla kumnandi. Mamela phinda ngithi kumnandi.
Uthi nje show phez'kwe show.
So phez'kwe show.
Injalo bafethu. phez'kwe show ngikhethe host yalana Sunday Street Market uThato bafethu Thatos owathathe ntwana yami.
How are you guys?
Come on, Donna, come on. Keep on.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I can say you lit. Like you are lit. Like you're having fun. You're so lit.
I am having fun.
Yeah, man, I can see. And it's a Sunday.
It's a Sunday.
Yeah.
I'm good.
So wena ne ngicela batshela abantu abangazi as a host ukuthi wena wenzani epatini yabo ngoba abantu abazi ukuthi host yenza umuntu ufika athi hayi ke batho ba host lena ke batho ba host ngicela nje batshele kancane ba understand ukuthi host yenzani.
Guys, I'm not an MC, I'm not a DJ, I'm a host. A host who hosts about like people, I'm hosting people. Are you guys fine? Are you guys doing okay? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm hosting people like let's have fun. I'm not a DJ, I'm not an MC. I'm hosting people. Yeah, I am. Yeah.
That's nice. So you swear I need to host inside.
Yeah.
Abantu.
Yeah.
Hosting people. Bega, but it's the denim on denim. When I was daily vest denim. When you daily vest denim. Only Sunday.
But I'm out.
You're losing. Pagamo backbone. That's a backbone. Babonise. 360 Tanami 360. 360 Tanami 360. 360 Tanami 360.
To be honest, I'm hot.
Lit. Lit. Bheka izayi manje sibonela ikena umthatho silana ihostess bafethu. Bheka becamera ubabheka ngicela batshela ukuthi InTheStreet eMgaqweni. InTheStreet.
InTheStreet.
eMgaqweni. Show phez'kwe show. Show phez'kwe show. Show phez'kwe show. Aye. I guys had to leave. I want to make sure we are host. Let's have a host as well. Okay, put out our song, our lead. What's going on, our host? Yeah. And then shout out to Chespero and business.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to Chespero. Shout out to people. To Deco. They're having fun.
Deco.
Deco.
Yeah.
Guys, that's why having fun. Chespero.
Yeah. Design. I saw design something.
Yeah, get Chespero design.
Yeah. Shout out.
Shout out. And then shout out to you also.
I'm shout out.
Yeah, because you pulled up. Was a supporter. Yeah, guys. Guys, Ozan, Mantala Bantaba, Sabangamnan, Dinas Boris Batarias Nogamnan, what is about. We're having fun. Sila, I'm talking. You say Sunday Street Market, Telemontelini, so it's a dishini, I pay someone Basil, and I was a Buga Pege, eMgaqweni, and I can walk around for the one. What I'm afraid to, I like to say shout out to Chespero, this Deco, then Jayami, people are pulled out, Basil was a supporter, like in Kalanjo Booz and Jene, the question is one non young pendulum, like he, young one Basil was a supporter, and you, this one.
It's awesome, over the moon, guys.
Oh yeah. Get over, guys. That's not shady. No shady. Hotman, this is a range. Chabona, Kunjaman Jaguala, Peza, and they sold to him.
Uncle Sunday Street Market, it is what it is. That's what we do. Rush, the Sunday thing, Fana, we're doing it, Fana. I'm happy. Thank you to everyone who came.
And the Shilo, such a school of fee, La Mama, Sebastian, as it pay, man, as in Karusha is zoom. I'm taking out Sammy, and Shai Tenny Montani, a Patina, I'm going Umbrella, Amazi, Umbrella, no my Zulu. Overtail and Petit Clip, Cogisoban, don't see me the ambition. I was caught a pretty caught a man, Chabona man. Shatil. Gashinta, and there's Gashinta, man. Amaranka compared to Sulazan, or Pami McBoy. Baboni said, around the face. Hey, wow. Sunday. Oh, yeah. I want to send to it. Yeah. Sida. Thank you. Hey, before short tanking, I'm going to put ship. You can out to Sunday Street Market. Sunday Street Market. They're going to come here. What it is? Sunday Street Market. InTheStreet, Street. eMgaqweni. The video. Show phez'kwe show. eMgaqweni. It's show phez'kwe show. Show phez'kwe show. eMgaqweni. Hotman, man pega, like that is a shy in term, we have for and it's a Sunday, you put to stay roof design. So, then shy Nami as a podcaster, which I'll be looking in Lanabo. On a Sunday, even though it's always Shilana Gugaman, and the man will fresh and Banuga, Nana, Kezi, I'm a mama corner as a solemn shot. So, you don't young fruit like in jail, Garanto Bong, you guys, I want to like us daily, even though it's a Sunday, like in jail, Nibabo, just for support Yabon, Kalanga Mamas.
To be honest, guys, this Deco event, it was not easy. Nakona, we worked so hard with Sibilana, what I remember.
That's nice.
2020 was up until today, guys. We're 3 years old.
Wow.
They were happy. Everybody's happy. I'm into Gene.
Like
crazy. Even my voice, I'm since from 2020, COVID, we hosted and then people also pulled out the third edition, even like right now, I'm told. And then still people like are pulling up, even though it's a Sunday, Babuya corner. So, I'm
feeling exploded, man. I'm happy.
Support
the bus guy on the number one. Because of them, Mega Sense is something. With them, we are somewhere. Some people, so I'm happy for the support. You know, Abu Makelwani,
support
thank them very much.
batshelekela ngathi abazi ukuthi khona bobani ngathi abazi
asekasi rocking as we speak now. Thank you.
Ophethe isawundini yasho siphethe abakhiza abathoni montana abobhizi abafethe izinto zakhona abo-J-Span ozobadlala aphethe ubheka ongekhulele ukuphi if usendlini mfethu ngesonto yekela ukumamela idumisa woza la Sunday Street Market silana in the street podcast enkulu wafethu lana eSoweto it's a show phez'kwe show bheka siterazi ngicela uthi Sunday Street Market
Sunday Street Market 3 edition.
Yeah,
Edition on crop tops.
uthi in the street eMgaqweni
InTheStreet eMgaqweni.
bheka yazi manje yazi lo sisha kanjani singena sonke sithi in the street eMgaqweni show phez'kwe show sonke semthanda ngithola asiyeni 1 2 1 2 in the street eMgaqweni show phez'kwe show